Hey, my name is Akanksha and I am here to give a quick demo of our project. My project partner was Asma Patel. So we have created a full stack application named WebHunt where you can get connected with other developers and share your ideas. You can find others' profile in People You May Know tab, and by clicking on View Profile you can visit their profile. This is how your profile looks like when someone visits your profile. You can add your skills, experience and other details also. For creating profile, you have to sign up using your details like name, email and password. If you are already a user, then you can sign in using your email ID and password. Right now I am signing up. After signing in, you will be redirected here for creating profile. You can add your designation, your company name, websites and many more here. You can even add a short bio of yourself which will be visible on the top of your profile. Okay, so now on add social network links. You can add your social network handles like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. You can also add your experience details and educational details, which will then be visible in your profile section so that anyone who visits your profile will be able to know more about you. Okay, so what we have used is React.js for frontend and Node.js for backend. We have used MongoDB as our database and we have deployed using Heroku. As you can see, details of experience and education you're going to add will be visible here in your dashboard. Actually, we are thinking about adding more and more functionalities to our application like messaging, following and connecting with each other and creating a job alerts also. Now, as you can see, I have added one more experience to my profile. By clicking on delete, that experience will get permanently deleted. You can add your education details like name of institute, field of study, the certification, the date of certification right here. These details are also going to appear on your dashboard and on the profile also. You can share your ideas, messages or anything by creating a post. After submitting, you are going to get an alert post is created. Your post will be visible right below. You can like others posts and can comment on it also. If you want to delete your post or delete your comment, you have to click on the red button. So this is how your dashboard is gonna look. So after signing out, when you again visit People You May Know tab, you can see your profile, John Dave. This is how your profile will look to others. Okay, so that is it for demo today. Thank you so much.